In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and start entering a Schedule K-1. In TurboTax, if you're working through your tax return and need to report information from a Schedule K-1, this process is very straightforward once you know where to look. A Schedule K-1 is used to report certain types of income and tax details that come from entities like partnerships, S corporations, or trusts. Depending on your situation, it can include earnings, losses, dividends, and other tax-related amounts that need to be entered accurately into your return. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your TurboTax tax session. Make sure you're signed in and already inside the return you want to work on. This is important because the search feature you'll use is located within the active TurboTax session, not on a general web search page. Once you're in your tax return, look toward the top right area of the screen for the TurboTax search box. This search bar is designed to help you quickly find specific forms, topics, and sections without having to manually click through multiple menus. It's especially helpful when you know the exact form you need, like a K1. Click into that search box, type K1, and then press Enter on your keyboard. After you do that, TurboTax will show you a relevant shortcut based on your search. This saves time and takes you directly to the section where you can begin working with this form. Next, click the Jump to K1 link. That link will bring you straight into the K1 entry area where you can begin inputting the information from your document. This is the point where TurboTax starts guiding you through the details it needs from your Schedule K1. As you begin entering your form, it's a good idea to have your K1 document in front of you so you can carefully match the information line by line. Since these forms can come from different sources, such as a partnership, an S corporation, or a trust, the exact details may vary. Taking your time here can help reduce errors and make the rest of your filing process smoother. That's all it takes to locate the correct section and begin entering your Schedule K1 in TurboTax. Once you've reached the K1 input screen, you're ready to continue with the information shown on your tax document.